Flow Fairy's innovative applicator enhances the ease and hygiene of using our menstrual cups. The Flow Fairy applicator consists of 3 parts: an inner tube, an outer tube, and the lid. This design ensures precise and comfortable insertion of the menstrual cup. Here are the 3 steps to follow. Fold the Flow Fairy menstrual cup into a C shape. This facilitates smooth insertion. Insert the folded cup into the outer tube of the applicator. Align the cup with the ridges inside for proper positioning. Partially insert the cup halfway into the outer tube or middle part of the applicator. This ensures the cup is positioned correctly without being fully inserted. Find a comfortable position. Use the inner tube, or as we like to call it, the plunger, to gently push the cup through the applicator into place. This step ensures a secure and leak-proof seal. After use, clean the Flow Fairy applicator thoroughly with mild soap and water. Store it in a clean, dry place between uses. The Flow Fairy applicator simplifies the insertion process, promoting convenience and confidence during menstruation. It's designed for ease of use and hygiene, making it an essential companion to our menstrual cups. Experience the comfort and convenience of Flow Fairy menstrual cups. Visit flowfairyco.com to learn more and make the switch today. Available on Amazon.